Okay guys, so we have finished uh, till question 18 of exercise 5.2 in our previous videos. So only two questions are left for this exercise 5.2. Now let's do the question number 19. So question number 19 says Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach to 7,000? So by looking at the question, we know that my A is rupees 5,000, right? So Subbarav started in 1995 and his annual salary of rupees 5,000. So A is 5,000 and increment is 200 every year. So it is same, right? So common difference will be same. Then salary will increase by 200 every year. So my D is equal to 200 rupees. Okay, now the last term we can say. So my last term L or the last term is equal to 7,000 because we have to find in how many years it reached and then we have to calculate which year, right? Because they have asked then in which year. So now I'll find out Tn. I know Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. I could write down as L also. L is equal to that. It's the same thing, right? Okay, now I have to find N. So Tn is being given to me as 7,000 and A is equal to 5,000 plus N minus 1 into 200. Okay, so now 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 200N minus 200. Okay, so this becomes 2,000, right? I can break this 200 this side will be 200N. So 200N is equal to 2200. Okay, N is equal to 2200 by 200. 0 goes and to 11 times. So my N comes out to be 11. So I would say that N is equal to 11th term, right? So I would say that in 11th year, right? So after 10 years only he will get. So in 11th year he is getting rupees 7,000. So in 11th year his salary is 7,000 rupees. Okay, so that would be my answer. Or if I have to calculate the year, guys, I have to add 10 only because in 11th year already he started getting it. So 1995 plus 10 years. So I will get 2005, right? So in 2005 he started getting 7,000 rupees, right? 2005. Okay, so that's done. Okay guys, so now let's move to question number 20. It says Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a salary and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings became 20.75, you have to find. So in how many weeks her savings became 20.75? So she saved for rupees 5. So from the question only we know that my first term, right, A is equal to 5 because she saved 5 rupees. Then every week she is saving 1.75, so that will be added to her savings every week. And my TN last term is given as 20.75 and I have to find N. Okay, easy. So nth term or the last term is equal to A plus N minus 1 into T. So this is given to me as 20.75. This is equal to A is 5 plus N I have to find out and D is 1.75. Okay, now I'll subtract this side. So 20.75 minus 5 is equal to 1.75 n minus 1.75. Okay, so 15.75 is equal to 1.75 n minus 1.75, or I could divide by 175 also, that's 1.75 also. So anyways, now 15.75 minus 1.75 plus, and this is equal to 1.75 n. So how much this becomes is 75 is 150, so 0.50, and then the 16 and 1 17.50 is equal to 1.75 n. So my n becomes 17.50 divided by 1.75. So it's easy, it goes by 10, decimal gets removed, and this is 10 times. So my n is equal to 10. So find the value of the set, so that is equal to my answer, because they said find n. So this, or I could say after like in the 10th week, in the 10th week, her savings were, or her savings became 20.75 rupees. Okay, so that's fine now, and we are done with this exercise 5.2, and we'll start the next exercise in the next video. See you.